So this patient has a Barry-Romberg syndrome. You can see that he's got mild hemifacial atrophy on the left side of the face, and he also has less hair follicles on his upper lip, the moustache region. So the first thing he wants is some hair follicles there. So we're going to do some moustache transplantation on the left side of his upper lip today, and later we would consider doing some jaw reshaping, especially the lower jaw, and some fillers in the forehead and on the left side of the cheek and the upper jaw. So what you see is procedure wherein we are harvesting the follicles. This is not exactly from the back of the head, but it's around the ear. We're going to do this because we're doing moustache transplantation for this patient. So harvest these follicles and then transfer it to the upper lip. Then he has a lot of missing follicles. So these are the follicles that we've kept in the petri dish, which we're going to use for the transplants now for the moustache. It's getting transferred onto the hand because we don't need huge quantities as you would on a hair transplantation. The light wing it. That's a light. Okay. So we're doing a moustache transplantation for this patient. We're giving some local before we can start these slits. We're going to slit and then place at the same time. So this is a rare case where the patient doesn't have hair follicles on one side of the lip. It's because of a condition called as hemifacial atrophy. Cleaning up after having transplanted more than half of the moustache. So we've just completed